Hey guys, what's up? It's Alan, like you can see on this LED counter right here, and I'm back with a sneaker unboxing video. Like you can tell, it's the Ozweego that the guys at Adidas Original sent through to me. So shout out to them. It's got a really nice LED customized, what do you call this? A counter. It's got my name as well as the Ozweego text running through. I'm gonna quickly pop this lid open and let's take a quick look at the note. 90s DNA mutated to fit the present, gifted by Adidas, lightweight and comfortable 90s runner into a brand new silhouette. Alright, so I'm sure you guys have seen the Ozweego, the Raf Simons version all over Instagram and social media, and now this one is a take on the 98 silhouette, but they've like taken it into another level itself. Damn. Now this particular model is a solar yellow and blue colorway, and the materials used are just different. Now you have your breathable mesh right here, and then this gray panel is suede. The blue looks like it's leather. I don't know if it's fusing. I think it's fusing on it. You have your stripes again here in the yellow and a slight hit of blue. Reflective hits. All these gray parts right here are reflective hits. You have suede again, quite good quality. Neoprene in the back. This heel counter right here is neoprene. This bit is a mesh, of course. This is neoprene. And you have suede hits there again. Round white laces. And look at that interesting bit. You have this neon piping running through the lace. So weird. And it's so cool because it just runs from there all the way around the sneaker. And here you have the Ozweego branding. Can you focus? There you go. Focus, come on. Yeah, Adiprene Ozweego 2098. 1998 is when the Ozweego actually came out, so I think it's like the year 2098 now. They're trying to project on this neon piping, but overall the silhouette is something else. Now look at the midsole, a nice cream colored midsole. It's not all white, nice and cream. You have your Adiprene technology here, and it says Adiprene here at the back as well, all through cream midsole. Now for those of you not aware, the Yeezy 500 as well uses the Adiprene sole, which is what makes it so comfortable. So you know right off the bat that this sneaker is going to be really comfortable. Let's take a quick look at the outsole. Damn, the articulation on it and the design reminds you of the 500, doesn't it? The Yeezy 500. This has got a similar kind of a pattern. You have the trefoil logo and the Adidas branding there, and then obviously the three stripes running ahead on the toe area. Now this is a lifestyle sneaker. It's not a running sneaker. It's based off a running sneaker for sure, but this one is specifically a lifestyle sneaker. You have a neoprene lining on your heel, and the insole is a nice volt green, and the tongue as well. For some reason this entire area reminded me of the Yeezy 500. I think all of these Adiprene sneakers are based on a particular design aesthetic. I don't know, it's a funky looking sneaker. Chunky funky chunky. What are your thoughts on the Ozweego? This is a very refreshing new silhouette, unlike anything that you've seen before. So I'm interested in knowing your thoughts. Drop your comments below. I'm gonna now slip this on feed to show you what they look like. If you're new to the channel, of course, hit that subscribe button there. If you already subscribed, the bell notification. Give this video a thumbs up if you love sneakers overall. Shout out again to the guys at Adidas Originals for sending these through. I'll see you on the next one. Peace, you guys.